Hello, madlang people. Be, you see Nana?
Where is the hala? I remember.
Hello guys. Mamitas kami ng mansanas. Yes. Si baby and I. Mamitas ng mansanas. Dito ako dadaan. Yan o. Langga. Hi palangga. Mitas na kami.
Don't get the red. The red is not yummy.
Ito yung gusto ko.
The green sweet sour yumminess.
Talaga?
No, it's a good. Can we get grapes too?
Po?
Can we get grapes too?
Grapes?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Wait, also yummy.
Halika na dito. Ito oh. Ay. Pitasin mo yung sa baba oh. Dali. Pitasin mo sa baba.
Kasi mo kasi baba.
Wag yan na. It's green.
I like the green.
This one oh. This side, that one oh. Be.
What?
With the lines. Red lines.
No.
Huh? Ano sana siya? Ayun no? Sa likod. Tatakbo-takbo pa. Bilis na. Hala, greeny manan. Ah, green na green. Ito yung dapat pinipitas eh. Oh. Yan. Eh. Parang mayroong uoderns. Tingnan mo na ang pinipitas niya. Puro dapat ito. Kasi ito yung malutong. Ito.
No, don't get the red. No.
The red is more yummy than the green one.
The green is yummier.
Baby,
No, don't get red.
mommy too. She liked this apple from the garden.
I mean, the green one.
Hindi yan masarap eh. Ano ba? Hey, to pick the red.
No. The red, awesome.
Abala ka dyan oh.
The red bad.
Red bug. Ito yung matamis.
The red rotten.
Rotten. Oh. Huh?
Ah!
Hindi nga yan pa pwede ah. You need to pick this oh. Kataka lagi kang pick dyan. Pick-pickin kita dyan nakba. Dapat ganito. Uy, babe. You're picking that one, not ready. O, di nga, kinain na. Not that one, suya. Pasaway kang bata ka. Halil ka na kita talaga dyan, ha? This one, ready to pick. Kasi pag hindi namin napipitas, nakain na ng mga ibon. Ayan, ito talaga. Ito din yung gusto ng nanay niya. Aray. Saan ka na? Taka-taka lang nasa balakaikot. Sumbago nagig kita anak ba? You're so makulit na.
You are makulit.
Ikaw talaga yung makulit, hindi ako. Why me?
Makulit, Hega. Look at yourself. You're maguling.
Ikaw yung makulit, not me ha. Sumbagin na kita, anak ba? Gusto mo? I think enough na. You pick a lot.
I was pressing the apple and I pull and then it pulled and the leaf hit my face.
Mm-hmm.
The tree hit my face. Oh, it hurts so much. Just kidding.
You want to pick some, that one? Plums?
Okay.
Huh?
No, I want grape first.
Grapes?
First.
Okay, your basket.
I can't.
Mm.
It's so heavy.
Mm.
It's not my dog. Is it?
Oh,
They're okay then.
they're cutting the woods, oh.
Hey, no.
Yeah, tok pa siya na naman.
These two are gonna be good. I tell you how I know.
How
The sound should be hollow.
Mm.
Wow.
Mm.
They have cherry tomatoes.
We pick some cherries also.
Hey, look.
Ayan. Hindi pa yan. Wala kayong magawa. Andito si Saso ba? Pipitas talaga to guys. Wait lang. Aray ko. Ay. Meron na nga nagpitas oh. Meron na kasing ano. Ayan anak ko. Kunin mo na yan. Wala talaga. Ay, this one ako. Dali ba? Oh, or this one. Which one?
Both.
Both? Allah. O, kamerahe ko. You cover the... Aray ko. Just one? Ano?
Two.
Ano?
Actually, a plan.
Uy. Ala. Oh, yan. Dali lang. Nana, ko look at me here. Try first.
No. First thing it's not allowed. Second thing I'm waiting ago.
Okay, chewing gum. Where is your camera na? Oh, I give you another one. Oh, the camera, it's on? Mm-hmm. It's not sour?
It's sweet.
You want more? Matamis ba talaga? Matamis do. Lagot ka sa mga bantay. Ito. Palangga, ito.
Okay. Get. Hello to part 2.
Where's the part 2? Oh, there is a one. Which one? This one?
The big one.
Yes?
No. The.
Yes?
Huh.
Yes?
The white. Wow. So big makala dyan. Makala ka dyan. Makala kami. Malaka. Oh.
Ay, ano na yung camera mo? Bahala ka dyan. Nagtalon-talon na. Oh.
Man.
Uy, ano na? Ayusin mo. Tama na yan.
Us ka.
Tama na.
Us ka. It's
Oh.
so heavy.
Dali na, bitbitin mo na yan. Ang kulit mo yung video natin na nagtalon-talon. Uwi na kami guys. Dami nang pinitas ni baby na prutas. Hindi niya lang pinitas yung ano. Bit yung ano niya. What? Ah, melon. Tumakanta pa yan. Aray ko. Ang bigat. Puno ng basket. Uwi na kami guys. Tita Shally oh, madami oh. Agay. Diba? Oh, dami guys oh. Hindi kami makapag, ayan ng mga walnut. Ang dami. Tara na. Andun na siya sa dulo oh. Ano sana siya? Ayan na. Bye-bye. Ha?